In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notion Mobile Carousel. Notion does not have a built-in traditional image slider block that scrolls through pictures like a banner carousel. So if you want that effect on mobile, the most reliable approach is to embed a third-party carousel widget directly into your Notion page. This is a more advanced method, but once it is set up, it behaves like a responsive slider in the Notion mobile app. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the carousel to appear. Tap into the page so you can edit. Then place your cursor where the carousel should go. You will be coming back to this spot in a moment, so it helps to leave a blank line there. Next, switch over to an image carousel provider in your browser. Use a service that offers an embeddable image slider. Inside the provider, select or open an image slider template, and make sure your images and layout look the way you want. When you are ready to generate the embed, find the option to publish the carousel. Publishing usually creates the code that you can paste into other platforms. After you publish, look for a button that lets you copy the embed code. It is often labeled something like copy code, and it typically copies an iframe-style embed. Copy that code to your clipboard. If the provider gives you multiple options, choose the standard embed code intended for websites. Now return to your Notion page. Tap where you want the carousel and type /embed, then select the embed option from the block menu. In the embed field, paste the code you copied. Notion may also accept a link in some cases, but for a true slider, the embed code is what you want. Confirm the embed and give it a moment to load. Once it appears, check the size and placement. If it looks too tall or too narrow, you can adjust the block by dragging its edges, and you can move it by pressing and holding the block handle and repositioning it. Finally, open the same page in the Notion mobile app to confirm the carousel is responsive and swipe smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.